Hey guys, welcome back to Maximum Automation. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed it yet, then please subscribe this channel to get more videos on automation. Today we are going to see that how can we run Cucumber feature files parallel using Cucumber JVM parallel plugin. The benefit of parallel execution is to save the script execution time. Let's say if we have 10 feature files and each file takes 5 minutes to complete, then it will take around 50 minutes to complete the scripts in case of sequential execution. But when we run our all 10 feature files parallel, then execution time will be only 5 minutes. Now to configure your project to run the feature files as parallel, let's open the pom.xml file. To run the files parallel, we'll add Cucumber JVM parallel plugin. And to get the plugin XML, you can browse the GitHub page of Cucumber JVM parallel plugin. Here you can see the XML for the plugin which we need to add it in pom.xml file. You can see the details of all the possible configuration options over here. Now copy the XML and paste it into the POM file. So here you can see the execution goal is to generate the test runners. Then we have to provide the package name for glue code under configuration section. As we have a step definition package which contains all the step definitions, so we'll add the package name over here. In case you have multiple packages for step definitions, then you can provide the multiple packages details as well. Since we have only one package, so we'll delete this one. Now we have to provide the directory where our feature files are placed. So I'm adding feature directory and will provide the value as test cases, because this is the folder where our feature files are placed. After that, we'll provide the Cucumber output directory where all reports file will be written. I'm giving target Cucumber parallel. We can provide the tag value as well, although this is optional. If you want to run your feature file based on these specific tags, then you can provide the information over here. For example, if you want to run feature files based on smoke or regression tag, then you can provide these values over here. Or if you want to run all feature files, then you can provide the tag with tilde sign, which means all tags will be executed apart from the ignore tags. You can use other configuration option as well based on your requirement. Like we use tags, by default, no tags will be used. Then we have naming scheme, that how would you like to generate the test class's name. Possible values are simple, feature title, and pattern. In case of pattern scheme, you can define your pattern as well. By default, test classes will be generated with this pattern name. After that, we have parallel scheme, where we can define that how to generate the test classes. If you provide the value as scenario, then it's going to generate one runner per scenario. In our case, we'll provide the value as feature, as because we wanted to generate one runner per feature file. Now let's go back to the pom.xml file. Here you can see that we have included the test runner class in Maven Surefire plugin to execute our test. Now since the test classes will be generated by the Cucumber JVM plugin, so we'll provide the test class name over here, which will be generated by the plugin. You can change it to parallelit.class. Here this C in braces will be replaced by the numeric values based on the test class number, like 1, 2, or 3. So we'll add the asterisk sign over here so that it will include all the test classes with this regular expression. Now we'll add fork count, which will create the number of JVM process, and all the processes will run in parallel in order to execute test. Here you can provide any number of JVM process. based on the requirement. I'm going to provide 3 over here, as we'll be running 3 feature files in parallel. Then you can provide the reuse Fox as true. Now we are done with all the configuration required to run our feature files parallel. So it's time to add more feature files in our test case folder. So I'll just copy this feature file and paste it to create more feature files. Then we'll change the feature and scenario name in newly created feature files. So now we have 3 feature files to be executed as parallel. So let's open the command prompt and type the command mvn clean verify. So Cucumber JVM plugin will create the 3 test runner files to run them 3 feature files as parallel. Here you can see that 3 instances of Chrome browser has been invoked. It means that all the 3 feature files are running in parallel. Now, if we go to the target folder and refresh it, then we can see the generated test classes with the name parallel01it.java and so on. If you open each test class, then you will see that each test class contains one feature file name against the feature. So our execution has been completed. Now let's go to the Cucumber report folder. Open the overview feature files. Here you can see that 3 feature files has been executed, out of which 2 has been passed and 1 got failed. So this is how you can configure your JUnit project to run the Cucumber feature files in parallel. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also, please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.